Integrating Soar with Zoom enables automatic uploading of all your new Zoom recordings to the Soar Media app, which can be made accessible by your groups, team, clients, family, or friends. To do that, open Soar Media app on your phone and tap on the account icon, here in the upper right corner of your screen. Under Zoom Integration, tap on the Zoom icon. Put in your Zoom login credentials, then hit Sign In. Next, it will ask you to sign in to Soar. Since you already have an account, tap on Login. Enter the same email and password you used to log into the app. This brings you to your personal library at mysoar.com, and it will tell you if the integration has been successful. You can also do the integration on your desktop. Just head over to soaraudio.com, go to My Library, and click Connect with Zoom.